everybody, it's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas. Today we're in the middle of the strip again here at Harrahs in Las Vegas for Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for January 2023. We've got Ramsay's kitchen that's brand new inside. We're gonna go take a look, give you a full tour of everything here at Harrahs for 2023. All right, let's go. All right, everybody, so you can see right here, Uber pickup zone, and we're starting off here in the back because this is where Harrah's drop-off is, and their valet and their self-parking garage. This is about the best place to start our tour. You'll be able to see later in the video that there's 3 exits and entrances by the Las Vegas Strip, but this is where you're probably gonna get dropped off, so we're gonna start from here. All right, let's get inside and start the tour. As we come in, everybody, see VIP registration is right there on the right-hand side. And the lobby registration is nice and convenient right over here on the left-hand side. Easy way to check in Caesars Properties. Of course, you can check in with your QR code. And right here on the right-hand side is one of a little sundry shop, Essentials, Wine and Spirit. But then if you're staying in the Valley Tower, turn around right from the main lobby, you got your elevators right there, and your Valley Tower 1 through 21 is up here. And you got a Starbucks that's right here, right next to your Valley Tower. There is your first Where's My Coffee, located right here next to the Valley Tower rooms. There's also the other tower, so we'll go take a look at that as well. But we're gonna start here on the right-hand side. You can see we've got Fulton Street Food Hall, but we're gonna take to our right here. Oh yeah, to our right. Right up this way, Caesars Forum Walk-In Sports and Bistro. I'm gonna take this escalator right up. Well, folks, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas for even more content, live streams here from Las Vegas. All right, let's continue with the tour. So Ben & Jerry's is right over here on the left-hand side if you want to get some sweets. They also have another Numb Cocktail Lounge up here, but this one is currently closed. They have another one towards the front. We'll show you that in a minute. Here's some signage right here. And the parking garage, Caesars Forum monorail off to your right down here. Some restrooms. And over here is a really new restaurant. It's called Walk-On. So Walk-On's right behind me, guys, is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every single day. Again, it used to be the Toby Keith bar, but that's long gone. Again, breakfast at 8 a.m. But come up here, happy hour from 2 to 5 every day as well. So check out Walk-On's right here at Harrah's. All right, let's keep on going. So it says Caesars Forum. Gets a little confusing. It's actually it's not the proper Caesars Forum. It's actually the place where they do some of the like game shows and things like that. The actual Caesars Forum is across the way. You see the signage there for a monorail, the link. So we'll take you down here, show you where those things are. Look to our right here, and take this walkway right down here to the Link Promenade, and the Las Vegas monorail is just off to our left-hand side. Yeah, we'll flip around here. There's where the monorail goes. Just head down there, head back into the main part of Harrah's and continue our tour. Another set of elevators right tucked away over here for the Valley Tower for 1 through 4 and 21 through 35. You can access that up here. The advertisement there for Ramsay's Kitchen. All right, so then off to our right-hand side, Bobby's Burgers, right here on the right-hand side here at the Fulton Street Food Hall. So here's Bobby's Burger. I got the center ice cream, coffee, and bakery, another place you can get coffee. This place is open 24 hours, so you can get coffee anytime you'd like. You got a pizza down here, even says tacos. We do have some sandwiches, but this section is closed right now. You can see this middle section where you can get coffee, some ice cream, some treats. We'll check that out in a second. Seating over here, a lot of times they have this as reserved seating so that you can make a reservation. They also have a noodle bar, but currently is closed right now. But here's kind of their little center bar over here at Fulton Street. I'll show you some of the sweets that they got over here at Fulton Street Food Hall. So yeah, check this out on your next visit. Lavazza Coffee is featured here. And let's keep continuing our tour. Now, just coming out, there's the escalator that we just came from, and the front desk is right over there. So we're gonna continue on down to our right-hand side here. So lots of different things here. Again, Fulton Street Food Hall is open 24 hours. You got your mountain towers here on the right-hand side. You take this main walkway up this way. Can't forget about these guys. Take a good old selfie in front of Buck and Winnie. So over here on the left is the lounge. We'll get a better look at that. When we come around here, here from Ramsay's Kitchen. Here's the new spot. So Ramsay's Kitchen is right over here. And on the right, just to have a footnote, here's meeting rooms, and the pool is up that way. It's currently January 2023, so the pool is closed. So nothing more up there except for a meeting space, unless you're having a meeting. And then again, Ramsay's Kitchen. All right guys, Ramsay's Kitchen right behind me has just opened last month. So if you're coming here to Vegas in 2023, check out Ramsay's Kitchen. It's open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days a week. All right, let's keep on going with the tour. Taking a look right across the way, there's that lounge, the lounge coming soon, it says. We'll have to check that out when it gets open. But a couple of directions to go here. So if we keep to our right, it really just goes more into the casino, which we'll get to in a second. So I'm gonna keep to our right, go through these machines over here. And this walkway just pretty much circles all the different video poker and slot machines. And our first of 3 exits that go to the Las Vegas Strip, right over here. Want to get tickets for the box office, all the shows here. I'll tell you about those, but you can get the box office tickets right here. So this exit right over here is right on the corner, give you an idea where we are. There's the Mirage across the street, and you got Mickey D's right here. I've shown this on our live streams, but there's a small little food court down here in this back corner that has Chipotle, Panda Express, and a couple other things. Let's head back inside on our tour. Keep to our right. Some more machines, more table games. The showrooms are right over on our left-hand side. I'll show you where those are in just a moment. So our other entrance is right over here, right across from Caesar's Forums, just to the right of the Mirage, or the left, depending on which way you're looking at it. So you can see there. And pizza cake right over here. Let's head back inside. So the showroom is right over there. We'll get to that in a moment. But right over here on the right-hand side, pizza cake by Buddy B. Even got their old bake shop, Carlos Bake Shop, the vending machine here. There's some of the menu items, but they're open about 12 o'clock and open real late as well. Ruth Chris Steakhouse has a nice view on the Las Vegas Strip. In fact, you got to take an elevator there. Join us for dinner at 5 p.m. Very typical, as you know, on these tours. Another set of restrooms over here. And over here on the right-hand side is the piano bar. Piano bar has a lot of dueling pianos, good sing-alongs and everything else. And this area gets quite busy. So that's right here on the Las Vegas Strip. Coming out here gives you an idea where this is. Here's the link. Guy Fieri, we were talking about him on our last 2023 video. Check that out. And the Carnival Court, they have live music and drinks and everything else. They're usually open at noon. So here's another Starbucks right here off to the right. So this Starbucks here, you can see, is open from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Friday and Saturday, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can check out this Starbucks over here. It's not close to any room, so it's not close to your where's my coffee, where's my room, but it is another option for you. Right over here is Numb Bar and Frozen Cocktails. And again, this lounge, this is on the opposite side. It's coming soon, and seems like quite the big space. It continues all the way from that other side. And then over here on the right is their sports book. Don't want to get too much of a copyright, but the Caesar sports book is right over here. Keep to our right, we're just going to go into a vast amount of slot machines. They're adding something new over there on the right-hand side, something under construction as of January 2023. Do a spin around, and there's our folks right here, Buck and Winnie, giving you some good luck there. Again, just coming down here, we just have a ton of slot machines on this right-hand side here. And then if you are staying in the Mountain Tower, you're real lucky because you're right next to the Fulton Street Food Hall right here. So your Mountain Tower is just over here in these bank of elevators, just down there. All right, let's go check out where the showroom is right now. So just down here from Buddy V's Pizza Cake and the Harrahs Wine and Spirits, you've got the showroom escalators. These will take you up to all the shows, including Donnie, Tape Face, X Country, which is the topless country show, and Menopause the Musical. That is up here. So these are where those 3 shows are right now. Check online. There's a lot of different hours and days that they have dark days as usual. And if you go up here to the 3rd floor, one more showroom, and that's where Donnie is, right up there. Well, that's going to do it for me, Jeff, here at Harrahs for January 2023, a full tour of Harrahs. A few takeaways from Harrahs. Obviously, it's in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip, so that's nice and convenient. Room rates are pretty cheap here on Harrahs, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. If you want to see what one of the rooms looks like, check out our YouTube channel that we did not too long ago. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas for even more videos and live streams on our channel. Until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.